In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. If you've never used Flipgrid before, you're going to start by just going to flipgrid.com. And it's going to give you some options. If you've never created an account before, you go to Educator Sign Up, and it is going to ask you some questions, and it will automatically put you into your first grid. Okay, if you have already created an account, you can go to Educator Login, and you can just go ahead and log in. And since I already have an account, it is going to log in for me, okay? If you are brand new to Flipgrid and you want a little bit of advice from Flipgrid, there is a getting started guide right on the top that you can use. You're always going to be, mostly anyway, I should say, in the My Grids section, okay? When you want to create a new grid, they will all be listed here. So right now I just have one for morning messages, okay? When you want to add a new one, you just go ahead and hit Add New Grid. Okay, and you're going to give it a topic. You're going to name it. This is going to be, for example, like the name of your binder. Okay, so if you had like a morning messages binder and then each tab inside was a different type of morning message or activity you could do with your class. So if I wanted to do this one, this might be, let's say I'll make this the read aloud grid, where I'm going to ask questions about the read alouds that we do. If you're in grades 3 through 5, you can use school email for them to sign up. If you're in K to 2, you can just create a list of student IDs and then they'll join your grid. And there is an app for Flipgrid as well. And then you're going to go ahead and hit next. This is the flip code. You can change it if you want to. So you could call it, for example, read aloud. It's not available. Someone else used it. So I usually just start adding numbers. Oof, I have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit next now that I've chosen all of my settings. This is our domain, www.prsd.org. You could also add www-p, but the kids are going to be pretty much using their www.prsd. All right. So I'm going to say go to my grid. All right. Now, I'm going to actually go back up to my grids just so that you can see what it looks like now. So now I have 2 grids. It's kind of like having 2 binders. So I'm actually going to go into my morning messages grid because this is the one that I want to share a topic with my students. If I want to share this whole grid with them, I can go ahead and hit this share button, and I can send this link out through either Google Classroom or through email or however I want to, and they will be able to join and see everything in there. Okay? For me as a teacher, I'm going to click on that. And I can see there are 2 topics. One of them is just the generic get used to Flipgrid and practice kind of topic that you can just click on if you want to. And you can delete that topic if you want to. Okay. So now my next topic is my first, for example, morning message from Monday. Every topic that I want to create. So maybe this is Tuesday, March 24th. All right, I'm going to allow the kids to respond to my morning message for about a minute. I might ask them a question, or I might not. I don't have to. Instead, maybe I want to record a video. All right, so I'm going to do that really quickly. Make sure you allow your camera if you're on your MacBooks or desktops. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the record button. I can put a sticky at this point over my face if I don't have my media release. There are also some other fun options down here they can use. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick video. Good morning, students. It's so great to see you on this Monday morning. Why don't we start by having you tell me what you did this weekend with your family? And then I'm going to go ahead and hit pause and hit next.
Good morning, students.
There it is. I do not need to watch the whole thing again. I'm going to go to next. All right. I'm going to take a selfie. That's really dumb. And hit next. And complete. And my video is now ready. And in the next YouTube video, we will watch it.